In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AfterPay on Temu, which is the best method for enjoying a seamless shopping experience without the burden of paying all at once. Whether you're new to AfterPay or Temu, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can make your purchase with confidence and ease. To get started, pick up your mobile phone and open the Temu app. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's readily available on both iOS and Android platforms, so go ahead and install it first. Now, once you're inside the app, take a moment to browse through their extensive selection of products until you find something you fancy. When you found that perfect item, give it a little tap to select it. With your item selected, look out for the option that says Add to Cart and tap on it. Think of this as your virtual shopping basket where all your curated choices are waiting for you to finally seal the deal. Now that you have your item in your cart, you're going to proceed to checkout. This process here is fairly straightforward. By clicking the checkout button, you are moving forward toward completing your purchase. But before anything is final, there's another button that says Submit Order. At this point, your order is almost ready to be placed, but we're not quite there yet. You still have the critical task of selecting your preferred payment method. The app will present you with various options, but our focus today is on how you can utilize AfterPay for this transaction. AfterPay is a handy service that allows you to split your payments, lightening the load on your wallet by spacing out your expenses. Find and tap on AfterPay among the payment options. What you're basically doing here is opting into a simple, straightforward payment plan. There might be an additional prompt to confirm details about your AfterPay account or to set it up if you haven't done so previously. Once your payment method is confirmed, you'll tap on Submit Order again. At this point, you're just a short step away from excitement. After clicking, you'll need to confirm the first installment of your payment as it's required to process the transaction. This part is crucial because it's your green light for fulfilling the order using AfterPay's payment structure. And that's it, folks. Voila! You've successfully navigated through shopping on Temu with AfterPay, allowing you more control and flexibility over your purchases. Now sit back and await your package with joy, knowing you've managed your budget wisely. This method not only enhances your shopping experience, but ensures financial ease, spreading out those costs without any extra hassle. Happy shopping!